Received a CBP file from a programming collaborator and need to load the project? This is a project configuration file from the popular open source code Blocks IDE. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these development files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure CBP formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my #1 choice near the end of this guide. CBP Files are project files created by code. Blocks the free open source cross-platform integrated development environment for C, C++, and Fortran. They contain project configuration data, including source file references, compiler settings, build targets, and dependencies needed to compile and manage software projects. Code. Blocks. CBP. Files use XML-based plain text format, storing project metadata in structured tags. The format includes target definitions, compiler, and linker options, source, file lists, build configurations, virtual folders, and custom variables for managing complex multi-file software development projects. The preferred application for managing the CBP file is Code. Blocks from the code. Blocks team. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows allows previewing, but meaningful behavior depends on the appropriate runtime. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the data. Right-click the CBP file and click Open with. Test code. Blocks first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right key is on your PC. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the CBP file is refusing to open. First, opening in code. Blocks. Download and install. Code. Blocks from the official website for Windows, macOS, or Linux. Use file then open to load the CBP file, which restores all project source files. Build targets and compiler settings ready for editing and compilation. Next, viewing in text editor. Open the CBP file in any text editor such as Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, or Sublime Text to inspect the XML project structure. This reveals build targets, compiler flags, and source file references, useful for understanding or modifying project configuration manually. Finally, converting to other IDEs. Manually recreate the project in alternative IDEs such as Visual Studio Code with C++ extensions, Eclipse CDT or CLion, using the source file list and compiler settings extracted from the CBP file. Some build system generators like CMake provide migration paths between development environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.